Your legs are often the first part of your body to quietly lose strength, even when everything else still feels normal. Most people don't notice it right away. They think it's just tiredness or stress or one of those days. But what if I tell you that leg weakness is one of the earliest warning signs your body gives you that something is missing? Has this ever happened to you? You stand up after sitting and your legs feel shaky. You walk a short distance and feel unusually tired. Stairs feel heavier than they used to. And you ask yourself, when did this start? Stay with me because the final food I'll share is the one that helps restore leg strength the fastest, and most people don't eat enough of it. As we do so, like this video and subscribe to the Green Health channel. Why the legs weaken before anything else. Your legs do more work than you realize. They support your entire body weight, your balance and posture, your movement and independence. Leg muscles require constant blood flow, steady nerve signals, adequate protein and minerals. When nutrition drops, circulation slows, or inflammation rises, the legs feel it first. That's why leg weakness often shows up before arm weakness or upper body fatigue. Let me know in the comments if your legs feel weaker now than they did a few years ago. The real causes of weak legs, it's not just aging. Many people blame aging, but age alone is not the cause. The most common hidden reasons include loss of muscle protein, especially after 40, poor circulation to the lower body, low potassium, magnesium, iron, or vitamin B12, chronic inflammation, poor digestion, and nutrient absorption. Here's the truth most people don't hear. If your body can't absorb nutrients properly, your legs can't stay strong, no matter how much you exercise. You want to stick around because the foods I'm about to share don't just build muscle, they improve circulation, nerve health, and recovery all at once. Eat these 5 foods to strengthen your legs fast. 1. Eggs, the foundation of muscle repair. Eggs are one of the best foods for rebuilding muscle because they contain complete protein, leucine, which triggers muscle repair, B vitamins for nerve support. Without enough protein, leg muscles shrink and weaken over time. Has this ever happened to you? You eat regularly but still feel physically weaker. That's often a protein issue. 2. Beans and lentils for strength and endurance. Beans and lentils provide plant-based protein, iron for oxygen delivery to leg muscles, and magnesium for muscle relaxation and recovery. Low oxygen delivery is a major reason legs feel heavy and tired. This is especially important if your legs tire quickly during walking. 3. Bananas for muscle control and balance. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Low potassium can cause weakness, cramping, and unsteady legs. This is why banana intake often improves balance and walking confidence. Let me know in the comments if you experience leg cramps at night. 4. Leafy greens for circulation and nerve health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and ugu are packed with magnesium, nitrates that improve blood flow, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Better circulation means more oxygen, faster muscle recovery, and less leg fatigue. This is critical for people who feel leg weakness without pain. 5. Fatty fish, the fastest strength booster. This is the most powerful food on the list. Fatty fish provide omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, improve muscle protein synthesis, and support nerve communication. This is the food that helps leg strength return faster than most people expect, especially in older adults. You definitely want to include this regularly. Why these foods work better together. What makes these foods so powerful is not just what they do individually, it's how they work together inside your body. Your legs don't lose strength for just one reason. They weaken because several systems start to struggle at the same time. That's why fixing only one thing often doesn't work. Protein rebuilds muscle. Protein provides the raw materials your leg muscles need to repair and grow. Without enough protein, muscle fibers break down faster than they rebuild. Legs feel thin, weak, or shaky. Strength slowly fades even without heavy activity. Protein helps restore muscle tissue so your legs have something solid to work with again. Minerals support movement. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron act as the electrical system of your muscles. They help muscles contract smoothly, prevent cramping and stiffness, improve balance and coordination. When minerals are low, muscles misfire, even if the muscle itself is still there. Has this ever happened to you? Your legs feel weak but not exactly painful. That's often a mineral issue. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. Inflammation quietly steals strength. When inflammation is high, muscles recover slower, nerves send weaker signals, legs feel heavy or sore. Omega-3 fats calm inflammation, allowing muscles and nerves to communicate properly again. This is especially important if leg weakness appeared gradually over time. Greens improve circulation. Even strong muscles won't work well without good blood flow. Leafy greens improve circulation by delivering more oxygen to leg muscles, supporting healthy blood vessels, reducing fatigue during movement. Better circulation means your legs get the fuel they need right when they need it. Why this combination restores strength naturally? When you combine these foods, something important happens. Muscles rebuild, nerve signals improve, blood flow increases, inflammation drops. That creates the ideal internal environment for leg strength to return without extreme exercise or harsh supplements. Your body already knows how to regain strength. These foods simply give it the tools to do its job properly. Let me know in the comments if you're already eating some of these and which one you think you're missing. Weak legs are not something to ignore or accept. They are often your body's early signal that it needs better fuel and support. When you respond early, strength returns faster and mobility is easier to maintain. If this video is helping you, like this video, subscribe to the Green Health channel. Stay healthy, stay strong. I'll see you in the next video. Green Health Cares.